Ever wonder how to keep your cold plunge tub clean, fresh, and ready every single day? If you're investing in premium recovery at home, proper maintenance is the key to long-lasting performance. This is the SaunaLife Model S2N, a two-person cold plunge and hot immersion tub designed for full-body recovery, contrast therapy, and everyday wellness. It's perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, wellness lovers and biohackers, couples or homeowners building a luxury recovery space. And the best part? It's built to be easy to maintain. Keeping your tub clean starts with simple habits. Rinse or shower before plunging. Skim out debris after each use. Always keep the cover on when not in use. These small steps help keep your water clearer for longer. Clean water means safer, better recovery. Use a gentle tub-approved sanitizer. Test water levels weekly. Change the water every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on usage. Balanced water protects both your body and your tub. Once a month, give your tub a deeper clean. Drain the tub completely. Wipe surfaces with a non-abrasive cleaner. Rinse thoroughly before refilling. No harsh chemicals, just simple, effective care. Switching between cold plunge and hot immersion? Follow the same routine for both sections to keep everything fresh and ready anytime. With the right care, your SaunaLife S2N tub stays cleaner, lasts longer, and delivers better recovery day after day. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.